Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a phenomenal beach bag? This one will probably be the last one that you ever buy. This beach bag is the best beach bag I have ever had. And I think my favorite thing about it is really how much it carries. It can hold up to 22 pounds of beach going stuff. That's your towels, your toys, electronics, anything that you want to take, you can take to the beach. And I also love that it's waterproof. So you can take this and put it on a sandy beach floor and you're not going to have to worry about your stuff getting ruined. So I love that. I can take my electronics to the beach. I can take my tablet and my computer and set it down and I don't have to worry about it getting wet. I love how much it holds. I put 4 beach towels in here. It zips up nicely. I've got toys and everything in here. I love the durable handles. I also love how cute it is. It looks so beachy and lovely. So with this extra large capacity, it is perfect for my family of 4 to go to the beach. It fits everything that we could possibly need in there. I love the little bag for you to put some electronics. We keep our pool passes in there and we don't have to worry about them. This bag is wonderful and perfect. So this beach bag is just amazing. I love it. It's lightweight. It carries so much stuff. It is everything that I was looking for. But that's just my point of view.